Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Game Pass if it's not working on your Xbox. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, a simple power cycle right here. Okay. So unplug the power cable from the back of your router, modem or gateway for 5 minutes. If you have your router and modem, unplug the power cable from both devices. And after 5 minutes, plug the modem or gateway in first and wait for all the lights to return to normal state. Okay. So if you're using a router, plug in the router and wait for all the lights to return to their normal state. And then after that, restart your console and sign in again. Okay. Now, if that solution doesn't work, we have here clearing your MAC address. So to clear your MAC address, press the Xbox button to open the guide. Now select Profile and System, then Settings. Now in the General tab, okay, select Network Settings, Advanced Settings, Alternate MAC Address, and just click on Clear. Now, after clearing your MAC address, it is important to restart your console. So press and hold the Xbox button in the center of your controller to open the power center. Then select Restart. Okay. And once that's done, sign back into your console and check your Game Pass. Now, if that still won't work, we need to change our DNS. Okay. I'm going to show you on both how to do it on PC if you have Xbox on PC, and right here if you have the Xbox console. So go to Settings on your console. Okay. Now click on Network and Network Settings, then go to Advanced Settings, DNS Settings, select Manual instead of Automatic. Now go ahead and type down these addresses. Okay. Primary 1.1.1.1, secondary 1.0.0.1. If you have the option to add in IPv6 addresses, well, go ahead and input these options right here. Okay. Now, if 1.1.1 causes lag, okay, or you have issues using this DNS, go ahead and use, I'm going to show you right here, Network and Internet Settings on my computer, Ethernet, okay. Go ahead and use 8.8.8.8 into 8.8.4.4. All right, you can just click on Edit right here if you want to change your computer's DNS, okay. As you can see here, 8.8.4.4. All right. Once that's done, hit on Save, as well as on your computer, your console, and after that, press B, okay, to save it. And after that, you got to restart your console, and once done, you should be good to go. And that is how you fix Game Pass if it's not working on your Xbox. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.